have these like your squad of friends, and they're all like extremely supportive.
Yes.
Like yeah, you can do it. And I've come to realize it's because like when before you enter the real world, all of us have these dreams, and we all believe it's possible, right? But then maybe the rest of them, or like a few of them, don't get to pursue it. There's a bit of like envy,
Yes,
and
about the bitterness. I got you.
and they start to draw back a bit. The same people that used to back you, they pull away a little. I'm not sure if you've noticed
No,
that.
man, don't
And
preach into the converted, mate.
bro, and
I've been down the road before.
and it's envy, and it's like, but my thing is just, it's so weird to me because it's like, why aren't you inspired by these people? Because I mean, as long as you're alive, bruh,
Yeah.
and there's breath in your lungs, you can still pursue what you want to pursue. But then stop doing stupid cock. Like, if you do have a job that you don't enjoy, cool. Make time after that.
To do what you actually want to do.
Now you get joined, you lam there, you chow, watch Netflix, waste your time, and then go to bed and repeat the same process. Whereas if you just spend an hour or 2 hours after span, the thing that you don't enjoy, and dedicate it to the one thing that you want to do, over time, that thing can materialize, and then you
Into something great.
100%, bro.
No, I got that. I mean, this even reminds me of that. Of that. Not so much as saying, man. Just the idea that some of the greatest ideas or inventions are all in the grave. You know what I mean? Like you don't get to see it because some people never had the capacity to pursue those things. Because I mean.